What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. I know it's been really long. um, Life has been crazy, so let's get into this and then we'll start chatting. I have 2 sushi rolls here. This one looks like spicy tuna crab. This one is spicy tuna with a whole bunch of sauce on it and tuna on top. Okay, my head's a little bit cut off, but yeah, so tuna on top here with some scallops, which are my favorite, some wasabi, some ginger, okay, and I've got my watermelon Perrier, which you know is my favorite. Cheers, guys. Haven't had one of those in like, oh my god, way too long. I've got the tamari soy sauce. So I'm like, my setup is feeling a little bit crunched this time. I'm not really sure what's popping off with that. So if I'm a little bit like, I don't know. We'll see how this works. Put this away. Okay. Let's fucking get this party started. Yeah, we're just gonna go ahead and put all that in there. A lot of people talk shit because I use so much wasabi, but you know what? I like it spicy. Just whip that shit in there and look at the wrist. Oh my god, I'm so excited. It's like 6 o'clock and I've only had a salad today, which was like an hour ago. Alright, which one should I try first? Try this one. It was actually really good. Oh my god. I never get like sweet sauce on it because it's not really my favorite. I'm having some technical difficulties. Alright, that should be good. I don't really like sweet food. I don't really like sweet anything, to be honest. It's pretty interesting. It's got a lot of flavor going on. Ginger is so good. Oh my god. Yeah, I don't really like sweet anything. Bug. So what's up, guys? How are you? I hope everyone is doing good. Yes, we are still quarantined. I think it's like month 2 since we've been quarantined here in Southern California. And the beaches open up in 2 days, but not like fully. You have to wear your mask, you can't like tan, you can only surf and like ski. Yeah, like you have to wear your mask and you have to only be skiing. Like you can only be in the water. So we'll see how that goes mentally, financially, and physically doing well. It's been crazy, man. But anyway, I wanted to kind of talk about mental health because May is Mental Health Awareness Month. And man, it's so very important that you check in on your family members, you check in on your friends, your coworkers, just check on people, see how they are, people you care about, people you're thinking about. Sometimes a thought goes to your head and you're like, why am I thinking about that person? Or something sparks an idea about a person. Just reach out, because you never know. The universe is crazy like that. Damn it. My puppies are trying to get in. Make sure you are reaching out, telling people you love them, you care about them, that you're thinking about them. You never know. One text can save a life. Especially during these times, you never know what people are going through. So, make it a point to just reach out and send love. Smile at a stranger, help a stranger, keep your mask on. But mental health is very, very important. Your brain controls everything. Everything. It is the most powerful. With that being said, I'm sending y'all all the love. Thanks for watching. I'm keeping up with my videos, my nonsense. Sorry I've been MIA. I had Mother's Day, my best friend's birthday, And my twin sister and her boyfriend come over almost every day, and we're like swimming at the pool, grilling out, we're doing stuff. So I can't be like, yo dog, hold on a second. I could, but family is first. I am just completely wrecking this. I think it's been a minute since I've had 2 whole sushi rolls. I usually only have 1. And I'm stuffed. Y'all are lucky. Excuse me. Next time I'm not gonna get this roll. It's good. I mean, I think a lot of people would like it, but it has a lot of mayo, like that spicy mayo, which I'm so weird. I can only do sometimes. Sometimes I'm like, I just want to throw up. Sometimes I'm like, run that shit. But yeah, so, and then I've been painting a whole lot. Having some auditions. Just trying to, I've been skating more. Trying to stay busy. Otherwise, slippery slope. Out she goes. I got this from the Renaissance Festival in Ohio. My dude just gave our dogs a bath, and so they're acting crazy. So that's what you hear. Alright, last bite, guys. I think this has like sweet sauce. Yeah, because it's got like mayo and the pink like sweet and sour sauce or whatever it is. It's got that and spicy mayo and onion. It's got a lot happening. Sorry. Oh my god. Ginger was spicy. Yeah, so that was delicious. Guys, I can't wait until I can go eat my Mexican food. I'm so upset about it. Spicy shrimp, guacamole, rice, burrito with all the hot sauce. and onion and garlic. That is a dream right now. Today I drove from Malibu to Santa Monica, through Venice to Mar Vista, and then Playa del Rey to Manhattan Beach, El Segundo. Dude, I saw at least 5 Mexican spots that I need to hit up ASAP. It ain't right. What are you guys looking forward to after quarantine? Dude, I heard that after, I think it's June 1st is when they're opening up restaurants. Ugh. Whatever. Okay, I'm gonna jump off here. I love you guys. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment. Let me know what more you want to see, what you want to see more of. I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching. And Lona Lines is signing out. Apologize, I quite enjoy messy. I see that bottle after bottle got you.